In this video, I will demonstrate how to apply bullets to a list, and I'll also show you how to select and apply custom bullets. First, you would select the list in your document. You'll notice the bullet button right up here. If you click it one time, you'll notice that it will indent your bulleted list. If you would like your bulleted list to be aligned to the left margin, you would click Decrease Indent, and now everything's aligned again. If you liked it indented, you click Increase Indent. I want to bring your attention to the ruler right here, and you'll notice your indentions. The bullets are aligned to the first line indent. The text is aligned to the left indent. If you would like a little bit more space between the bullets and the text, you go up into the ruler and you click and you can drag where you want the bullets to be. If you are looking at a list and you determine that something is really a subtopic of a main topic, you can always click in front of that topic and then click the Increase Indent button, and you'll notice that the bullet will change, and this is really now a subtopic. I'm going to go ahead and click Undo. I'm going to reselect my list, and I'm going to click on the bullet drop-down list, and you'll notice my bullet library has some fun bullets in here, and these are very easy to apply. You just click on the one that you want. Now I'd like to show you how to apply custom bullets. I've selected my list. I'm going up to my drop-down arrow next to the bullet button. I'm going to go into Define New Bullet. In this area, you'll click the Symbol button, and you'll notice that you have a lot of different options for bullets. I'm currently in the Wingdings font. If you click the drop-down arrow, you'll notice that you can change this and you get a different group of bullets, but really there's almost a bullet for everything. So if you were a real estate agent, you could use a home. I'm a computer teacher, so I often use the little computers. If you were a school teacher, you would use a pencil or a pen, maybe even an apple. If you're doing church brochures, you could use the cross. If you're in an airline industry, you see the little plane there. But there really is so many bullets to choose from, as you can see. And all you have to do is click on the bullet that you want, and then you click OK and OK again, and it will apply that bullet. I'm going to go back in there, so I'm going to click the drop down arrow, Define New Bullet. If you want to get even more creative, you can go into font and you can change the color. And I'm going to change the font size of the bullet, and then OK and OK. And now you can see that my bullets are a little bit bigger and they're colored. If at any point you would like to add to your bulleted list, you would click at the end of the last bullet. I just realized I left this one off of my list. So what I can do is click at the end of this bullet, press delete, it will move my text up, and then when I press enter, it will apply it to my list. And at this point, if I need a new bullet, I could click at the end of this listed item, press enter, and then I can enter a new bullet. If at this point I do not want a bullet, I have a couple of options. I could click on the bullet button to turn off the bullets, which then moves my cursor back over to this side, or I could simply press backspace, 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 and that takes me back over to the left margin as well. And that's my quick introduction to using bullets in Microsoft Word.